I got a question for you. Does your strawberry protein shakes really taste like strawberry, or does it taste that kind of off, artificial, type of a strawberry? The Premier Protein Indulgence, oh my gosh. This is the chocolate covered strawberry. I wondered if the chocolate would be too much and taste kind of overpowering. But I tell you, the strawberry is mwah, chef's kiss. And it is a little bit of chocolate in the back type of a flavor, but it is definitely so scrumptious. One of my favorite ways now to drink it is to go ahead and pour it in a glass after it's been cold, of course. And let's get it in here. Woo, just barely fits in this particular cup. And put a little bit of whipped cream on it. And I tell you, oh, yes. It really, truly tastes like chocolate covered strawberries. And that just blows my mind. Has 30 grams of protein, which I absolutely love because I struggle to get enough protein in my life. And the rest of the macronutrients are really incredible. So if you do protein shakes, if you need to get a boost of protein but don't really like the want flavors, check out the Indulgence line of Premier protein shakes. Oh my gosh. This one here is absolutely incredible.